My name is Kjetil Taskén and I work at Oslo University Hospital Comprehensive Cancer Center. So the challenges are first to get precision diagnostics and molecular tumor boards going, and when one has that, the next challenge is to provide enough data to support price negotiations for medicines in precision medicine, because a lot of things become rare, and which is where my work in the Joint Action for Precision Cancer Medicine will be involved, because I will be leading Work Package 8. Work Package 8 is called Treatment, and it has that particular focus to provide more data to support implementation, because for many of the targeted therapies that are used in cancer for rare cancer indications, apart from the very most common where industry themselves does phase 3 trials, there's too much uncertainty to support a normal price negotiation. So we will be doing 3 things in Work Package 8 to address that. One is that we will set up a clinical trial network across Europe, for every hospital, a coalition of the willing that can do precision diagnostics and operate molecular tumor boards and can deliver data. We will collect data centrally. We can take trials from industry, but we also think we will have to build a next generation platform trial that comes after basket to basket, after Drupal trials, after the Rome trial in Italy, etc. We will have every good force that wants to contribute can join. We'll make a next platform trial. And then it can go in different countries, and we'll aggregate all the data on the European level. And that's about building evidence. The second thing we will do is that we will set up an activity to collect data on off-label treatment, also coming out of molecular tumor boards. The tumor board looks at the biomarker analysis to think patients have a particular drug. There's no drug available in the trial, but they decide to treat the patient anyway. Quite large variation in Europe in terms of how much latitude the clinicians have, but a lot of those data are not collected at the moment. Some countries have observational protocols, some countries have a register, but a lot of data also is just not recorded. We will set up a European level data repository to aggregate all those data, collect all those data. And the third thing is managed entry agreements. When there's too much uncertainty to support a normal price negotiation, one can start using the drug and negotiate the price later. So, and then we can collect the data also in that case. It will involve standardizing oncology trials in terms of the endpoints, and standardizing the data that we will be collecting, and we will need a discussion. It will involve onboarding of all the stakeholders, regulators and payers, key opinion leaders, oncologists, all of Europe, patients, and industry. So we hope that this type of activity will improve European competitiveness in terms of attracting trials and industry collaborations, which will bring more targeted therapies to patients in Europe at the earlier stage in the life of drugs, basically. I think these type of activities need to go all over Europe, and it'll help everybody, because European population, 450 million citizens across Europe, is more than the US population, for example. And if we can bring everybody together, it'll benefit everybody also in terms of documentation, etc. So that's a strong incentive that we should onboard every European country, and that will also lead to equitable access. From the perspective of Work Package 8 in the Joint Action for Precision Cancer Medicine, I think if we have a functioning trial network that takes drugs, we've also onboarded everybody, and I think from my perspective that would be a success.